What is if function? If function is one of the common and very popular function in Excel. It is used to do the logical comparison and output the result in the desired cell. If the logical comparison is true, it will output the value which is given as a true in first argument, otherwise it will output the false in the second argument. Uses of if function. It can be used to output the student's grade automatically on the basis of marks. It can be seen later in the video. It can be used to validate certain logical comparison in Excel and output the value accordingly. It can also be used in the payroll spreadsheet to automatically find out the job description and the salary on the basis of job code and the number of hours the employee has worked.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button.